Hi guys, this is my quadrupod I made for my coffee maker. It looks like this. Works fine. Pretty stable. I made it from a big tuna can from this part. First I cut out this kind of shape. These four parts were bent and went downwards and created the four legs, and these four were bent in the opposite direction, and I created a fence to hold my coffee maker in place. And I also cut out the center part. So I got something like this. I left these four little tongues also because I wanted to use it for a smaller coffee maker I'm planning to make. So it works fine for this, and it also works fine for this. So it's kind of versatile. I also put some pieces of bamboo just to add more stability, maybe just for fun. In my next video I will show you what I put here to make my coffee maker work, right? So see you next time.